Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to dual boot Windows 11 and Ubuntu 24.04. So let's get started. For this tutorial, we'll be using Windows 11 and dual booting it with the Ubuntu operating system. To start the process, all you need is a USB drive with at least 8 GB of free space. Then, head over to the Ubuntu website and download the ISO image. Once you've downloaded the ISO file, save it to a location where you can easily find it. Next, you'll need to download Rufus, a tool to create bootable USB flash drives. Visit the Rufus website, scroll down a bit, and download the latest version, which is Rufus 4.5 right now. Once it's downloaded, open the file, click Yes when prompted, and allow Rufus to check for updates. Rufus will automatically detect your USB drive. If it doesn't, ensure your drive is connected properly. Select the correct USB drive from the drop-down menu and make sure it's the right one, as all data on the drive will be erased. Next, under Boot Selection, click Select and locate the ISO file you downloaded earlier. Click Open to load the ISO into Rufus. Keep the default settings, then click Start. Choose the Write in ISO image mode option, click OK, and acknowledge the warning that all data on the USB will be wiped out. The process will take a few minutes to complete. Now that your bootable USB is ready, you need to restart your computer in BIOS mode to change the boot priority order. This allows the computer to boot from the USB drive. To do this, hold down the Shift key and click the power icon, then select Restart. Keep holding the Shift key until the Advanced Options menu appears. Navigate to Troubleshoot, Advanced Options, UEFI Firmware Settings, and click Restart. Your computer will now boot into the BIOS. In the BIOS menu, go to the Boot section to select Secure Boot. Disable the Secure Boot option, then select your USB drive and move it to the top of the boot priority list. After that, go to the Exit section to save changes and reset. Now, if you are taken back to your Windows, head over to the Start menu and click on Restart. Now select Use a Device and then select your USB drive. Your computer will restart and you should see a screen prompting you to try or install Ubuntu. Choose your language, then select Install Ubuntu and click Next. Select if you want to connect your internet and click Next. You'll be given the option for a normal or minimal installation. Choose the one that suits your needs. Next, select Install Ubuntu alongside Windows Boot Manager and adjust the amount of space you want to allocate to Ubuntu. Ensure you have enough space on your main drive by checking it in File Explorer. Click Install Now and continue through the prompts. Enter your location, set your username and password, and the installation will begin. When the installation is complete, you'll be prompted to restart your computer. Remove the USB drive and hit Enter. Upon restarting, you'll see an option to boot into Ubuntu or Windows Boot Manager. Let's check Ubuntu first. If you select Ubuntu, you'll have your Ubuntu machine ready to go. Now, let's check Windows. Restart your computer, and this time, select Windows Boot Manager. Your Windows 11 machine will load up as usual. That's how you can easily dual boot your Windows 10 or Windows 11 with Ubuntu. If this video helped you out, make sure to join the Show Me Software free newsletter. It's linked in the description below. In this newsletter, I will tell you about the latest software tools and AI that can make you more productive at work and also improve your personal life in many different ways. You can also reply to these emails with any technical support questions you might have, and I'll do my best to help you out for free. This newsletter is completely free and will always be free. So click the link in the description to sign up.